Hello and welcome to our 7th video installment in this series. And this thing you're going to be seeing is 44 Tricks in Magic. Within this video, with yours truly, a magical adventure to Tricks host, Reese. So sit back and enjoy the show. And I'll show you the step-by-steps on how to pull each one of them off. Now it's time to get right to them. Without any further ado, let's get this like things with me, and let's go. Okay, so what's our first trick here in our 7th installment? As is, I'm about to tell to you right now. And that goes right to the magic trick, which I like to call the magic rustic Irish penny to dime magic trick. Here's what this. So here with me, I got is this one penny here. I'll place this right into my hand, just right here, as you can see. Here I'm gonna actually is to take this and watch. It turns right into a dime. From penny right into a dime. As you can see, just right here. How is this one done? As is, I'm about to reveal the secret behind the magic penny to dime magic trick. Only for this magic trick is what you'll see here. You will need is a dime right here, and our second one, a rustic penny, seen just right here. What you're going to do is to turn the penny into the dime. But how? You will need is your Scotch tape. Take a hunk. You use double-sided tape if you want to. And you're going to is just make it like that into a size like this. If there's double-sided tape, it wouldn't matter. You're gonna stick that into the palm of your hand just like this. And then with your penny and dime, you're going to is put the penny in front of the dime, just like this, like that. You're going to sew the penny first. You're gonna place this into the palm of your hand, like this. So, then you're gonna press this down very quickly, like this, right there, like this, and then magically it turns itself into a dime. Until it's done, take this off your hand like this, as an instruction of you sewing the dime. Make sure you give the penny here a ditch. It is a classic magic trick and a really famous magic trick, and that's why I wanted to bring it in, because it had a little bit of something linked with the origin of Irish. It has those two characteristics of as well, to let alone a great magic trick that you could do. So I'll use those three things, and that's what you'll need to perform the trick. It's very straightforward. There's no prep except for part of the tape into your palm of the hand, and that's basically it. And a little bit of slight sleight of hand with that. And that right there, so you do and perform that magic trick. Okay, here is our second one. This one here is a famous magic trick, but it goes onto the Irish and Scotland like one. You heard of the magic trick, Scotch to soda? Well, as it is, I brought that in for this one to be our second magic trick on here. Okay, so that goes to, you got that right, the magic Scotch to soda magic trick. Here's what this will look. So here with me, I have our 2 coins. One, a rustic coin, and I have is silver, a coin right there. I'm gonna actually just gonna place this in my hand like this. Okay, there. I'm going to is place this in again like this. Okay, watch. You can see where did that go? You see, I'm gonna actually go like this, my hand like this. Okay. Again, watch. Scotch and soda. Okay, so here I got this. I'm going to is place this someplace else. How about if I place this just in my shirt? Like that. Okay, so here I got is just this. Again, watch this. Scotch or soda. Are you ready? Okay, so I had this, right? Watch. Scotch and soda. Look. It appears. How is this magic trick done? As it is about to reveal the secrets. As you're going to need to perform the Scotch to soda magic trick. And yes, I did say that this one here goes into the rustic side. Anyways, here's a revealing on that magic trick. Well, there is some variations on how to perform this one, but this is my version of the Scotch or soda magic trick. All you will be needing are simply 3 coins. One, a larger one, a different one. Here I'm using is a rustic brown coin, and here are 2 25¢. You must have a duplicate involved for this. One you're going to actually is conceal into your hand, while the other one is held underneath the other one, and the bigger coin up top. You're going to show that first. You're going to place this into your hand like this, like that, just behind here. You can say, okay, so I'm going to show you the Scotch to soda. Okay, you're going to use that as a magical word for this. You're going to say, okay, I'll place this back into my hand like this. You're going to say Scotch and soda. Open up like that. It's not there. The 25¢, is not there. Completely vanished. You'll say it again, and you'll close your hands down like this. It's going to say Scotch or soda. Make sure you point. Scotch or soda. Scotch is the rustic coin. The soda is a 25¢. So you can say Scotch or soda. And then go, okay, so hands like this, rotate. And lo and behold, the one that you may vanish by the other one goes into your opposite hand. This is performed to a spectator, but for done by itself, this is the way of doing it by yourself. If you have someone involved, well then, you have someone to actually perform this magic trick upon. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to keep this behind the other one. And you're going to sew the 2 one last time. You'll place your other coin into your pocket, or in this case, into my shirt. Like that. You're going to place that into your hand here. You're going to is pull this out up it. That's gonna actually hold your hand over, and you're gonna say, keep this other fist too. And at the same time, you're gonna say scotch or soda. Scotch or soda. Make sure you point. See? There's something there first. You can say, okay, so there. See? It goes back into your hand. It magically appears by the coin. And I say perform the scotch or soda magic trick. This one here is a classic and makes a great magic trick. And I say perform the magic trick to it. Okay, then that puts us right down to our next one. Our 7th installment. And again, thank you so much for watching our installments 1 through 6. Coming after our 7th one will be our 8th one, so please stay tuned for that. Anyways, here's our trick number 3 right to you. And that goes to the Magic Irish's Magic Thumb Tin Hat Symbol Magic Trick. Is what this will look like. So here with me I have is this thumb tin hat symbol here. Gonna actually just place this onto my right thumb here, like that. And actually go like this. Okay. Here. Like this. So the symbol is inside here. And it's gonna actually is. We'll have it to jump. 3, 2, 1. Back onto my thumb again. Here. Are you ready? We'll try it again. 3, 2, 1. Right there, gonna actually go from here again. Like this to go off my finger. And the watch gonna actually is make it just disappear, so it's not there. Where is it now? Back onto my thumb. How is this one done? So neat is what you'll see here. It is not a real like hat symbol, but it looks like it though. Right there, because it has is in the shape of a hat. A different kind of hat though. I'm going to place this onto your thumb, like that. What you're going to do is take this like this, and go like this, to get right off, like this. You're going to keep like this, I'm going to say it's okay, so it's inside here, but actually make it jump, like this, on your hand, like this, onto your thumb, and open your hand like this. Like that, so it actually goes like this to make the jump back onto your thumb. Again, take this, put up like this, and then you're going to actually just make it vanish. Put this back onto your thumb. What you're going to do is go like this on the cover, like this, and go up like this. And the magic, it appears back onto your right thumb. And that right there's you do and perform that magic trick. And then that pushes us directly down to our next magic trick here in our 7th installment, and that goes to our 4th one. Our 4th magic trick being the Magic 1 Irish Shammer Coin magic trick. Is what this will shammer like. So here I got this one shammer, you get a coin to here. How they're going to actually is to take the coin here. I'm going to actually is put this someplace completely different. Right here. This coin right there. I'll place that. Where should I place that? How about just over here? Just right under this. See? Okay, so it's just under there. Watch. If flew right back into not just my palm of my hand, but right back into my fingers. How is this one done? As is about to reveal the secrets. For this magic trick, you will need our 2 Shamrock coins. Seen here? Among the other coins, you only need is only 2. You're going to put them together with the Shamrocks facing to the audience like this. Put them together just like that. Seen here. So I'll show you had one hand empty, and so the other hand completely empty. So all to be seen is only one. Seen here. We're going to is take the coin here, I put it into like this, and up to your fingers like this, and point. That the first one is to be seen held with your fingers like this. You're going to is show this coin first, the first coin. I'm going to place this someplace completely different. I'll put this into my shirt. Like that. Then you're going to is to take this up to your fingers like this. And you're going to is blow like this as you push your thumb up like this. And by magic, it jumps and appears not just in your palm of your hand, but into your fingers. And as you perform the magic trick to it. And that puts us right down to our trick number 5. And that goes to the magic 2 of Shammers magic trick. Is what this will look like. So here with me I have are these 2 Shammers. Shammers for Shamrock. I summoned my rock just now with that one. If you want to know what that actually means, it means I did a jig. What kind of jig? An Irish jig. I did that last night. Great exercise too. Anyways, let's get right to it. Okay, so here are the 2. I'm going to is place one hand here, that one here. So there's only 2. Okay. And it actually is like this. So from here, it jumps to that hand. But wait 1 second. If I can take this together like this, I cut the other one, it vanishes. But watch. It comes right back. How is this one done? I'll show you. All you'll need are these 2 Shammer rocks. Okay, so what we're going to do here is a bit of sleight of hand, like the other ones. We have some sleight of hand in those ones. Okay, so here you're going to show is a 2. Going to is show 2. And going to is show them into your hands like this. You're going to is like this. Like that. So go from here, open, like that. Make sure this falls down. So it vanishes and ends up into your right or left hand palm. Again, so the 2. You're going to is put them together like this. And put them into your hand like this. I'm going to push this one up to the other one. And so you're thinking it's in here. Really it's not, it's just right there. You can actually just make that one vanish. Like that. And then you're going to is say so that I may have vanished. Let's go use some. Oh, like that. I'm gonna be very quick. And by magic, you make it appear by the other one. And as you do the magic, 2 of Sammer's magic trick. And then from 5, that puts us right down to our next trick. What is that to? Our 6th one. The 6th one, which I like to call the magic appearing Irish Sam ring magic trick. Is what this will look like. Okay, so here you can see I have nothing in my hands here. And I'm wearing is a t-shirt. So there's no means for this to happen. Well, wait one second I can actually take my pinky here. Watch very carefully. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. It appears on my pinky finger. How is this magic trick done? I guess now's the time I will reveal the secrets. For this magic trick, you'll see what you need just right over there. See, here is ring Sam, because it has a sticker of the shamrock onto it. You can find this in a trinket section in the Bucket 2, Dollar Tree, or Dollar Store. Because apparently they don't, it can kind of fit on your ring finger. Depends on how small your fingers are. But only the pinky finger can work for that one. As you can see, just right there. From this, all you gotta do is you're gonna place this down onto your lap or into your pocket if it's standing up. So here's just gonna go onto my lap. And so your hands completely bare. And so here I'm just wearing a t-shirt. So you're going to say that you have a t-shirt on and your hands are bare. And say, let me make a ring to appear on my pinky finger. You're going to is to take this and can kind of seal it like this and put it on like this. Like this. Hands over like this. And it can go like this if you want to, or any move here and go. Just be creative. Or like this. This is even better. Like that. And by magic, making the shamrock ring appear on your ring finger if it fits, or in this case, your pinky. I'll just put that just right here to add a little something extra. And that way there's a perform magic trick to it. And then that drops us down to our next trick. It goes to our trick number 7. What's our 7th one? It goes to the Magic Lucky Summer Irish Leaves magic trick. Here's what this will look like. Okay, so here I got 1, 2, 3, 4 leaves. I'm going to actually take one of these leaves here. I'm going to put that down. 1. And it makes a gold coin to appear. I will take the other one here. And it makes a second coin to appear. And this one here. This one here. I'll make a third to appear. And last but not least, I'll make a fourth gold coin to appear by the 4 summer leaves seen here. How is this one done? I'll show you. You will need or 4 gold coins, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 leaves, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do them with real leaves or paper cut out leaves, which are these right there. What you're going to do is conceal the gold coins, all 4 of them. All to be seen are the leaves in a nice shape or formation, like this. You'll count 1, 2, 3, 4 leaves. Keep these keep the gold coins palmed. So 1, and you're going to do is collect 1 and put it into the leaf here. Put that 4 like this. Make sure you do not show the coin. Place down the leaf on top and go like this. A magic, making 1 coin to appear. Leaf 1 will be kind of the side closest to you. Repeat the same thing like this. Here. Like that. Do that to the rest of them. Let's see, pink like that. And go like this. And last but not least, your last one. So your hand empty. Like that. And then magic by the leaves making gold coins to appear. When it's done, present. And that's the secret behind the magic Lucky Summer Iris Leaves magic trick. Okay, bring us down to our next one we get to. We get down to our 8th one, which I like to call the Magic Iris's Magic Hand Vanishing Dill magic trick. Okay, so as is, I just went into the kitchen and I got myself some dill. Seen this right here. Even reads dill on the jar. The thing I'm going to actually look into is to make this completely vanish in my hand. Yeah, I'm just going to get the lid off. Okay. Ooh, that dill was a little strong there. Okay, I'm actually just going to place this into my hand, just like this. See? A little bit more. There. That's good enough for me. And it actually bust off the excess. What it's going to actually is to make the dill completely vanish. Are you ready? Look. Gone. But wait. Watch. The scene coming out from my other hand. Look at all that dill that I just made vanish appeared in the other hand. How is this magic trick done? I'm about to reveal the secrets. For this magic trick, you'll see just right here, right at the trick table, you will need is your magician's thumb tip and your dill. Here I kind of decorated this bottle up for this. You see, I put some nice green stuff onto it. Actually labeled it dill in a nice kind of colorful kind of way here. As it can be done with salt or pepper, but in this case, dill. that you're going to make vanish. Put on your magician's thumb tip like this. That's all what you will need to do. Next you're going to is go and sow your dill from your kitchen or in a nice jar that's nice and decorated. You see just what I do right here. If you want to do something just like that, you're going to is unscrew the cap like this and show the dill on the inside if you want to, or just simply just go straight forward into the magic trick. You're going to is put your thumb tip on and into your hand like this, and then just simply just grab the dill and put it into your thumb tip. Make sure you can see the label, and then make sure that you see the flakes of dill. Going into your hand like that. And then you're going to place that aside. Knock off the this. Let's get the brush off and then put your thumb tip on like this. So it's a good fit like that. Make sure you keep your fist. Keep this time like this. And just go like this. Keep the balance happen just by rubbing your fingers and hand. Like that. Then you're going to reach out. Cut your thumb tip to get your thumb off. And then simply go like this. And by magic, it appears coming from your other hand. Make sure now you give your thumb tip a ditch into your pocket. And that's the secret behind the magic vanishing dill magic trick. Again, you can do that to salt and pepper, but in this case, we've used is dill. And then from 8, now we'll get down to our 9th one. Our 9th one being the magic vanishing and appearing sham leaf magic trick. Here's what this will look like. So here I got is this nice sham leaf here. As it has like a shamrock and a leaf together. So a sham leaf. It's a pretty interesting one. And what we can actually is to make this completely vanish. Like this. You can see your home behind this. Go like this. See? It's still there. It's still there. What about now? God. But wait, watch this. Are you ready? It reappears. How is this magic trick done? As is about to reveal. The secret. For this, you will need is this sham leaf. It has a shamrock and a leaf onto it. That's why I call it a sham leaf, because it has a shamrock with a leaf in the inside. So in here, you can see the leaf there and the shamrock that looks like this, right? So it's like 2 in 1 together. Okay, so you're gonna put this into your fingers, your pointer and your thumb, like this. What you're gonna do is actually make the vanish happen with your hand like this, in brushing motion like this. Go ahead and go from here and collect it like this into your palm, like that, keeping a C shape. Like that. So I'm starting here, put it there, pass there, and again, pass again, and make the vanish to happen. Make sure you keep a C shape of your fingers like this, and then again reappear. It's just simply just reversing it like this. So down, pass once, pass twice, 3 times, make the vanish to happen. And then, like that. And by magic, making it appear into the C shape of your fingers seemed makes a really great magic trick that you can do. Is very simple. Again, a little bit of sleight of hand involved with that one, but overall makes a great magic trick for everyone. And as you perform the magic trick to it, bring us down to our 10th one we get to goes to the magic 2-pint coin wrapper. Magic trick is what this will wrap like. So here with me I have is my rustic coin here. And I got is this off green gift wrapper here. Square shape. I'm gonna place it right into here just like this. And I'm gonna give it a fold. Like this. I'm going to wrap it up like this. And I'm gonna actually is to see, you can try and unwrap it, and it completely vanishes. But watch this. If I wrap it up again like this, watch. Are you ready? By Irish Summer Magic. Okay, watch. Magically, it reappears back into the wrapper. How is this one done? As is about to reveal the secrets is you're going to need to perform this magic trick. For this, you will need is a rustic coin, or any coin will do, a different color that's very eye-catching. Okay, and you'll need is this wrapper. Make sure it's like a green, like wrapper, or any wrapper. A wrapper will do. Must be square, and make sure there's enough room for the coin. So here, now here's a little something here. What I have here, 2p is 2 pint. So a 2-pint coin. This is actually my lucky coin, by the way. Okay, so anyways, with that said, here's how to make it vanish and to reappear in the wrapper. You're going to do is sew the coin here and place that into the wrapper. You're going to fold it like this. So it drops out like that. You're going to fold it again like this. You're going to do is secretly pass it into your other hand like this. Like that. And you're going to do is keep it in your hand like this. And you're going to is just unwrap it like this, so that's completely gone. It completely vanished from the wrapper. You're going to wrap it up by taking the coin and placing it like this. Back in, and just give it a wrap up just like this, the way you wrapped it up from before. Pull up. I love magical fingers. 2. Magic of Irish Summer. And then proceed to unwrap. And then magic, it appears back into the wrapper that you once made it vanish with. And that right there is a secret behind the magic 2-pint coin wrapper magic trick. Bring us down to our next one. To our 11th one goes to the Magic Summer Irish Magic Chip Spade cards magic trick. Here's what this will look like. For this here, I'd be at a tricks table. Okay, so here I have are these cards I got 4 of these big coins and 4 cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 cards now. Okay, so here I got our 2. I'll put this aside here. I'll put these spade coins right over here. What I'm going to is take these down here too. I'll cut these cards. So the cards now are closer to me. Okay, I'm going to space these out. Move the cards down a little bit more here. Okay. I'm going to is to take this card here. And I'm going to take this card right to over here. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. I'm going to is reverse cards and take this one here. Are you ready? Okay. I'm going to is to take this card now. I'm going to put this over here. I'm going to put this on just over here. Are you ready? How is this one done? I'll show you. All you will need are 4 and 1 more. You'll need 5 of these coins here and 4 cards. You need 4 of each, so in total of 8. You're going to is conceal 1 of the spade coins. If you like this. These now will go on top of the cards or simply just on there. But I do like it when they're on top of the cards. Like this, and a nice stylized look to it like this. Or just go like that. Stylized look. If you want to like this. I'm going to place these on in the middle of the cards, like that. So I'm going to do is count. So I got here is 1, 2, 3, 4 spade chips, and I got 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. I'm going to is move 1 off. Put the card closest to you. You'll repeat the same thing like this. Make sure you keep the spade chips a ways apart from each other. Repeat the same thing like this. You're going to is take 1 card and you're going to is secretly pick up the chip right here and place it on top of the other one. Like that. With the other card, go down to the bottom one. Then you're gonna pick it up like this. And go like this. Put this down, pick up the next one with your hands crisscrossed. That one stays under here. And you're going to is take the top one and collect it too. And put out the card here, drop it off like that, and by magic, that one moves to the upper left hand corner. This now, we get the other one here. You're gonna place it on top of the other one. And you're gonna drop this one off like this. Like that, and by magic, from the opposite corner now goes to the upper right hand or left hand corner. This now can get removed and ditched. If you want, you can put them back into a stylized way again. The cards. Yeah, place the chips back on to the cards if you want to, or just simply just leave it just as is. So there's all 4 cards and the 4 spade chips. That magic trick was performed by the hands with the coins like this, like that, but except for the hands, using cards. The cards were like our hands performing that magic trick. Same thing as the coins with the hands, but putting them into one corner to the other, like that, onto the table. But by the use of a plain deck of cards can also work as well too. And as they perform the magic trick, it is well too. It is a classic. I cannot put a spin onto it by the use of an interesting, like, plain deck of cards in rustic color. And you'll see it perform the magic trick to it. Okay, to our next one while we get to our 12th one. Our 12th one being the Magic Summer Irish's Magic Leprechaun card. Magic trick is what this will look like. So here I got is this leprechaun card here. I'm going to just place this into my hand just like this. Also I could do, and we'll actually make it to float. You see it. I'll show you again. Okay, again. Has powers of levitation. How is this one done? As is but to reveal 6 behind this you right now. So you're going to need to perform this magic trick. For this one-of-a-kind magic trick, you will need is hard plastic. I'm going to tape it in the back from Scotch tape. So you see right here. What you're going to do is the tabs, and you're going to hold it like this, like that. Holding on to it like this, so no one sees it. Like that. So like this. I'm going to put this into your hand like this. And this is going to allow it to actually float. Like this. You can see the plastic right there bent. That's why it's going to come close. You can easily see it. Like that. That's what's allowing it to float or levitate. So I'll just swing like this. Like that. First. And I'm going to put into position the card onto your palm. Wave over like this. And by magic, it floats and levitates. Put it down like this. Slowly down into your palm of the hand. And also put into here, and repeat the same thing like this. It's a very simple magic trick, and it is a classic magic trick. And I say perform the magic trick to it. This is done by cards, but if you want to get creative, use the leprechaun. The leprechaun card. Something like this. Actually, I actually made this leprechaun card, by the way, specifically for this installment. This down to our 13th one, and that goes to the Magic Irish's Squid 2 Turtle magic trick. Here's what this will look like. So here is a summer one. So here I got is this what we're going to is change it right to a turtle. How is this one done? I'll show you. All you'll need is almost the same kind of color of these sea creatures. The squid and the turtle share the same color. The dark green spots as it is to the dark green of the shell of the turtle seen here. Same color, green, as the other. Okay, so you're going to so we take the turtle like this. So you palm the other one. So the turtle, you're gonna place it like this into this C shape by your thumb this time and your middle finger. This here goes in here. I'm gonna drop this off and place this in like this. This will fall down over here. I'll show you that at a different angle from here. Like that. So again, over here, what the audience sees is this from here. Like that. And by magic, the turtle changes into a squid. Or squid to turtle. Same thing. It's in this turtle's right there. Squid. So the squid. Place into your fingers. It'll be the same thing. Just like that. And by magic, this green squid turns into a turtle, or the squid right into the turtle seen to here. Until it's done, make sure you give this a ditch. And that right there, so you do and perform the magic trick to it. So there, I guess you have some sea creatures inside there that alone a very fun magic trick as they perform the magic trick to it. And then we get down to our next one, to our 14th one, which I like to call the magic Bailey's glass and green palm ball magic trick. Is what this will. So here with me I have is the Bailey's glass here on the inside. I've got is this green palm ball. Seems to here. And it actually is make this completely vanish. You can see here. Watch. Are you ready? And here. Completely, it vanishes. And actually, it's going to reappear again. Watch. You can see here. Watch. How is this one done? I'll show you. All you'll need is a green pom-pom ball, a little bit bigger. Actually fit into the Bailey's glass in here. This is actually a rustic style like Bailey's glass. It has a nice, good, it says it in gold. Just right there. Green pom-pom ball is in the inside. What you're going to is sew it and then dump it out into your hand like this. You're going to make it vanish by putting it down here, down onto here. You're going to actually go like this and collect it like this. Drop it down into your hand like this. Completely is gone. So we really just right there, wrap it up. Completely is gone. Then you're going to do is put this under again, and you're going to actually hold it there. And draw your hand back like this. So you're going to cover it. Vanishes. And like this. And it appears back under the Bailey's glass. Like that. Put into the glass if you want to. And then dump it back out again and sew. Or simply just leave it inside the Bailey's glass seams through here. Makes for a very unique magic trick. Goes into Irish or Scottish bar like that too is actually kind of like a magic trick on that too, but also is a great magic trick to get yourself into, and I'd say perform the magic trick to it. Bring us down to our next one. We get another one of that, but completely different. Is using corks this time. What is that too? Our 15th one. The magic trick there, which I like to call the Magic Bailey's Magic Cork and Bill Glass magic trick. Here's what this will look like. There's another Bailey's glass here. I got this cork right there. It's an interesting kind of cork. And here I got is this Bill. I'm gonna actually is wrap this Bill up like this first. But first things first, you can see the Bill. Like that. I'll place this in. Take it like this. Okay. So the Bill is just right there. I'm going to is take this cork here, and it's in this hand here. I'll pass into this hand. Watch. The magic will actually just disappear. Where does it end up after the vanishing? Let's remove the Bill. It ends up into the Bailey's glass by the use of the Bill. How's this one done? Okay, so this will need are two of the same corks. Here's one, and here's two. Next, you will need is another Bailey's glass in here. It's a very visual magic trick. Then you'll need some spare money or play money. Bill of like this. We're going to is keep one cork palmed, leaving one cork out first. So front and Bill back. Bill forward again. I'm going to put this in and wrap this up like this. This is how it gets into the glass. Like this. Goes into the glass like that. That way your hands stay completely bare. Pick this up, and what you actually do is a French drop, a simple French drop, so slap hand is involved. At this point, give this a ditch. Quickly pass into your hand. Wave with your magical fingers. Or you can go like this. Move your fingers, wave. Completely vanishes. After it's done, welcome into Bailey's glass. Pick up the Bill, and by magic it appears in the inside of the glass. Seen here. Show the Bill, unwrap it, and show. Using the Bill as a cover for the appearing of the cork that's now into this glass in here. A very unique rustic style magic trick for Irish bar and pub that alone going to do at tabletop. And that's it, perform the magic trick to it. Next we got to from 15 to our 16th one. And that goes to the Magic Jameson's Vanishing Bottle Green Palm magic trick. Is what this will look like. Okay, so here with me I have is this green big pom-pom scene here. And it actually is just to use this Jameson's ball scene here. And actually you're going to use this. And I'm going to is with this one. You see it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Completely it vanishes. As you can see. And this can actually come off. Are you ready? just right back. Now I'll put the cap back on. How is this one done? As is about to reveal what's behind this too right now. So you're going to need to perform this magic trick. For this magic trick, so you'll see right here, all you will need is a different kind of green pom-pom. This is a fairly big one. And then you'll need is this Jameson's bottle here. This actually came from Ireland, by the way. I'm really happy I found that too, because it goes great for this. You're going to use this as the magic wand that makes the green pom-pom to disappear. How? I'll show you, so come close. Okay, so you're going to is take the green pom. You're not going to do any sleight of hand like this. Nope, we're not doing that. By simply putting this hand here, you're going to do is pick this up like this by the neck of the bottle. But as you do, you're going to actually is to take this like that. I'm going to is clean sweep this off your hand like this. So, like this. I'm going to use clean sweep. I'm going to make sure you do not expose the pom-pom. And go like this. Or, other way you could do that is go like this again and go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then go. And you're going to is pass this into your hand like this, into your opposite hand here, and take off the lid of the bottle. Like that. Upside down. And you're going to do is toss this and down like this. Like this. And the magic it seems to be coming out of the bottle. So when it's done, put the cap back onto the bottle seen here. Like that. Then put it like this and show and present. This here, got a little something extra to the tricks table. It's almost the same as like the pencil or marker making a coin vanish, but in this case, by use of a bottle from Ireland, which was actually that came from Ireland, by the way, and a green pom-pom, which made this magic trick a very unique one. And a very rustic. The next one we're going to get ourselves into zucchini bread. Yes, I do love zucchini bread. We're coming into our 17th one, which I like to call the zucchini bread to the finger trick. So get your zucchini bread and let's go. To spin on summer. Okay, so you're gonna actually is to put this onto my What you'll need is real zucchini bread. I got to. Not real zucchini bread. It's actually fake zucchini bread. This is actually a plastic bread that I turned into zucchini bread. I looked up zucchini bread and I did a paint job, a nice paint job of real zucchini bread. And I put this little bit of yellow ribbon onto it for like butter on top. It really does look like a real zucchini slice of bread, but it's fake. That's what you see to see here. Next, what you'll need is, we can see over here, you will need is a push pin. So it is a gimmick that's making it happen. You go here, and that's what's allowing it to actually spin. So you can put that on there. I'm going to show the zucchini bread like this. First, by putting it like this. Put it onto your finger, balance it, and go like this. Go hold it with your thumb, and do that. Couple spins, like that. Or flick it with your thumb, or your pointer, like this, and I would spin on the tip of your finger. It's a very interesting trick because it involves the zucchini bread. Enjoy, son. Have a bite. Matter of fact, I do love zucchini bread. It's really, really good. And that's the secret behind the zucchini bread to the finger trick. Now we hit down to our 18th one. Our 18th being the magic medium Irish coffee pods. Magic trick. And so this will look like. So here I got only one here. One, so you can actually go like this, and you get a second one from the other one. So here, I'll take one here. Well, actually, is to I'll take that pod there, and make three from the other one, the second one. Okay, I'm gonna take this the other one here. I'm gonna actually is make one to appear. Now I have 4 medium coffee pods. How is this magic trick done? I'll show you. Only are 4 coffee pods. Here I'm using is no name medium roast coffee pods there. They look pretty nice too. These are actually Craig for a Craig machine. I'm going to is put one in your hand there, put one into your opposite hand here. One is to be seen out. One is also palmed like this, like that. Going to is take one, and you're going to is put one up over here. Hold that one, and you're going to is put this down onto the ground like this, like that. Make sure you have your fingers over like that. Make 2 appear. Pick up one. Other 3 is right there. The other 2. And you're going to is put one to your other hand like this. Place down. Place the other one down. And like this to make the third to appear. Pick up the other one. And you're going to actually make it appear like this. And by magic, making a 4th coffee pod to appear. So when it's done, layer them out in a nice, unique kind of way. See here. You also count if you want to by 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you go right there. Actually, just place this coffee pod just right there. And the other ones, I'll just put aside for now. That there goes into the coffee. Coffee. I love my coffee. 1 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon, just before 6 o'clock. That's what I have. And then the rest, herbal teas. Can't go wrong with that. They're all pretty good. I do and perform that magic trick. Okay, so for our 19th one, we get to the magic appearing Lucky Sam Con. Magic trick. Con for leprechaun. That's what this will look like. So here with me, I have is this Lucky Shamrock we'll see what this can do. I wonder. See here, I'm going to actually use this and make a leprechaun to appear. Again. How is this one done? I'll show you. Revealing right at the trick table. This magic trick you will need is this lucky shamrock, and you'll need the leprechaun. Where's the leprechaun? Right here. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that's what you'll need are two things: lucky shamrock and this leprechaun. Now, actually, I made this leprechaun. It's actually a finger puppet, and I put the hat onto it and the hair and the beard in orange color. I'm going to actually is keep this palmed while holding on to the shamrock like this. So you can see this one hand completely empty. You're going to place this on like this and hold on to the shamrock like this. And then you're going to use the shamrock. And just make sure that you draw this back so no one sees the leprechaun. And go like this. Hand moves down like this. Hand with the shamrock, I mean, like that. And make it appear like that. Like this. Draw back, and it vanishes by simply going like this, pulling it back, and tucking it in like this. Make it appear. And just like that. And as they perform the magic trick to end. Then as you do and perform the magic trick to it, bring us down to our next one. We get to our 20th one. Our 20th being the Magic Summer Green Irish Number Stick magic trick. Is what this would look like. Oh wait, I gotta button up this first. So here with me, I have is this number stick. Okay, we're gonna actually, so count with me. You can see one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5, 4, 3. Okay, so tell me when to stop. Stop there. Okay. Okay. So if you're counting up from either the bottom or top, ending in there, I'm going to guess the number. I'm going to put this down here. I'm going to guess the number that you hit from here. Okay, so it's stopping there. Okay, so I'm going to guess the number is the number that is the selected number on that green stick. Is it number 3? Yeah. Okay, so here, watch. So I'm guessing 3. If I flip the stick, it says number 3. How is this trick done? I'm about to reveal the secrets. Okay, so here's what we're going to need to pull this magic trick. So here is a number prediction. Here's what you're going to need for it. This magic trick you will need, what you'll see here, you will need is an expo marker, seen here, and a green craft stick. You're going to is put white dots or masking tape right here. So here you're going to do is do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? That's how you're going to count. But from all the way down is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the opposite side here is where you would write down the number. You can do any number or force the number. Here I get first by number 3. To do that, what I want to do is take the expo marker and write down the first number. Like this. Like that. So it's done. You can put the marker, and then you can use that as a forcing number. You can use other numbers too, but if you want to force one, that dot in the back there is the one that you're forcing onto the spectator. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to tell me when to stop. Okay, tell me when to stop. And it goes to 3, right? But don't mention any word of that. You're going to put this down like this. You're going to say, okay, I'm going to guess the number on the green stick. Is it number 3? How did you know that? Say, well, let's find out. So go back and look and point. Number 3. Until it's done, rub it off. Because actually, this here is actually tape, so you can actually rub it off like that. After it is done, then say perform the magic trick. So a little bit of arts and crafts for the craft sticks, masking tape, and the numbers going to from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on the green craft stick. And that there goes into prediction. What prediction is that? A number, not a letter, a number. You can do it to letters and or numbers. And say perform the magic trick. It's a little bit of mentalism for that magic trick. Anyways, let's get down to our next one. We get to our 20. First one goes to the Magic Summer Floating Irish Pine Cone Trick. That's what this looks like. So I just went outside to grab myself a pine cone. Seen here, it actually is, to make this pretty interesting, I'm going to actually put this into my fist like this. 3, 2, 1. And it's just been in space and floating. How is this trick done? I'll show you. So here goes into the summer pine cone. This magic trick, you'll need the following scene here. As you see here in the palm of my hand, you'll need is a full back clip. That's the only gimmick that you'll need is a full back clip. Small, not big. It has to be small, just like this. What you're going to is, looks like I've got a pine cone that has a little bit of something to attach, put this onto, like if it has like a stem. This is a stem from the pine cone. What you're going to do is place this onto the pine cone like this. Like that. What you're going to do is hide that like this. This is holding. Like this. You're going to come up with a story like, I just went outside and I got myself is a pine cone off the ground. Make sure you say that first. Then you're going to put this into your hand like this. So your other hand completely empty. This now here will go, well, you may think it was like this. They won't see this, but it's gonna go like this. You're gonna hold it like there first, place it into your palm, and then be very straight with your hand like this. And go like that. Hold hand under here. Let's see, watch what you can do with your summer pine cone. 3, 2, 1. That is just floating out. So move your hand like this. Have it in space. Off like this. Hiding this. And then simply just taking this off like this. So that way you can pass this around so they can take a look at this. Make sure that you give the full back clip a ditch into your pocket. And let's see you perform the trick to it. Bring us down to our next one we get to our 22nd one. Goes to the Irish's Magic Tea Kettle magic trick. Here's what this will look like. We'll do that one at the trick table. It's right here. Okay, so here with me, I have is this tea kettle here, and I have is this nice looking cup right here, mug right here. You can see I'm gonna actually is pour this in. Nothing's coming out of it. Again. What's up again? Here. I'm going to wave my fingers over the tea kettle. Watch. Let's see. Green tea is coming out of the spout. How is this magic trick done? I'll show you. So you're going to need to perform this magic trick. What you're going to need is tea kettle, teapot right here. Rustic in nature. And then you'll need this interesting looking mug right here that has a nice design on it too. You're going to first is dump it like this into a cup like this. Make sure nothing's inside here. Dump, nothing is coming out. Next, you're gonna secretly put, I have some green water in here. You're going to secretly dump the water into like this at the edge of a table. Like that. And then pick it back up again. Then you're going to say, okay, so that we didn't see any tea coming out of that tea kettle. Let me see what I could do now with this. Pick it up like this if I want to. Or something your fingers. Give it a little shake. And then go like this. Let's see the green. So make sure you have a bunch in there. Make sure that there's a good stream coming out. I just added a little bit more so it'll be more easier. With that, make sure you put green food coloring so they can see it and then show the inside the green tea inside. From no tea in the kettle to magically it appears coming right out of it. Perform magic trick to it. It's a very unique one and a very magical one. We're going to sound on the next one we get to our 20th one, or to our third one being the Magic Iris Rustic Shaker Card and Coin Magic Trick. Is what this will look like. With me, I got is this very interesting coin here. Okay, I'm going to place that over here. Here with me, I got is this card, and I got is this shaker. Okay, I'm gonna actually place this on the coin onto the shaker here. I'm gonna take this card here and watch. I'm gonna actually put that right beside here. Let's break that. There's some more a little bit. So the coin is under here. Watch. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So here. Not there. Where is it under? The card. How's this one done? I'll show you. All you need is a coin. A little bit more bigger. See in here. You'll need is a card. Here's this very interesting looking card seen here. And then you'll need is this salt shaker. Salt or pepper shaker. I'm going to put the salt shaker onto the card and a coin onto the card like this. That way it looks pretty nice together like this. And then there, present first. Show the coin. And then you're going to is move the card from the bottom of the salt or pepper shaker, the rustic kind. What you're going to is place it under. You're going to take this out like this. Move that out to like this. Put it into the center of the table. The card now goes here and puts it onto the table like this. Coin is just right there, but they won't know it because they're focusing on this. The coin is under here, right? You're going to do snap your fingers, or with the magical fingers, tap on top, go to the card, pick this up, and then go like this. Like that, and by magic, it appears underneath the card, seen here. After it's done, you can place it like this, or back to it, where the magic trick start off, just like that. And that right there, so you do and perform the magic trick to it. So very unique items, the rustic brown salt or pepper shaker, a card, and a coin in local like currency, or a special coin. 2 was another one of my special coins. To our 24th one, that goes to the Magic Iris's Magic Award mug and coin and scarf magic trick. What this look like? We'll just set here at the trick's table too. You can see here, guys, this coin here. I got this mug here, my award coffee mug. Okay, let's just put this in here. Watch. 3, 2, 1. Wait 1 second. I could get lucky if I just put one coin into here. There. Watch. If I give this a little shake. This is my award coffee mug. Watch. It gives me a few coins. How is this one done? I'll show you. All you'll need are these other coins here. Got 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 coins. To a different one. Backside says get lucky, and it has SMR onto it. I'm going to is take all the coins except for 1. And you're going to is use this scarf here, which is our next item here. And you're going to is put that down here. Like that. Holding on to one. Like this. Make sure they see it though. Make sure you sew. Oh, I'm going there. Let's use that one. Like this. Make sure you sew your award coffee mug. And sew all the awards onto it. And I put it in a side. Take one and put it in like that. And then up like this. Like that. Pick it up again. And it all appears from the scarf. Repeat that as many times as you want to. Like that. Like that. All you see it's one at all times. You can place this aside if you want to. So one. You see, I could get lucky if I place one of these coins inside my award mug. We'll see what will happen. I'll put it in. Close it like this. Then go by the handle and get a shake. Yes. And then like this. And by magic, it multiplies after. Then if you're done, put your award mug right where the coins are. If you're done, present. You do and perform the magic trick to get go on for an Irish bar and club, besides as a great one could do, just right at a house and home, or down at the park table. Okay, to our next one when we get to our 25th one goes to the Magic Irish's Leprechaun Coaster magic trick is what this will look like. So here with me, I have is this Leprechaun coaster on the coaster, and underneath here I have is a second one. See in here, you actually do something very amazing with this. See here, so you can go do is have this Leprechaun here on this coaster. Watch. Where did the Leprechaun go? This again. Watch. Come back. Jiggity jig. In those magic words, and it comes right on back. How's this one done? I'll show you. All you'll need is seeing it at the tricks table. What you will need is 3 coasters that have stripes, and 1 you'll put on a leprechaun sticker. See in here. The two go together like this. Okay, this one on tabletop or done to the palm of your hand. Oh, but this one, revealing at the table part. Show the leprechaun on the coaster. Place this, wave, and like that. It disappears. How? Placing the other one on top of the other one. I'll show you that one. It's like this. Like that. That's how it vanishes. So, and go like this. Making it vanish, and making it reappear. You can do that in the palm of your hand, like this. Here. Like that, make it disappear. And reversing it to make it just reappear. Back onto, and that way there is to perform the magic tricks. Yes, there it gets the actually those coasters actually came from Dublin and yeah, they came from Dublin as well too. And makes a great one you could do at tabletop. Okay, and that's what we got to our 26th one, which I like to call the Magic Irish's Grass Bundle Magic Trick. Here's what this will look like. Here's the performance. So I was just outside and I just grabbed this grass bundle here. You can see that there's nothing in this grass bundle at all. It actually is to make something to come out of this. But how are we going to? But wait, it's just if we can reach in to the grass bundle here. I pull out one gold coin. And then again. Another gold coin. Now we got two. Again, reaching again. We got a third gold coin. Fourth gold coin. Fifth gold coin. Sixth gold coin. And last, a seventh one from the grass bundle. How's this one done? I'll show you. All you need are gold coins and not real grass bundle or a real grass bundle. You want to put it into a bundle. This is actually green Easter grass. And you'll need is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 gold coins. They go into palm, into your hand, like this. So once stays completely empty, show the grass bundle, and there's nothing there. Place that to the center. What you're going to do is pass these coins into your opposite hand there. Be very quick. Again, show the grass bundle. Make sure you make a little bit of hole, a bit, not too much of it though. So you can easily put one coin in and pick up like this at an angle, pulling one out, going in again, pulling out a second one this time. then a third. Make sure they see the coins coming out like this. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Go like this, pulling out the 7th one. Now there's how you perform the magic trick to for the magic Irish's magic grass bundle magic trick. To our 27th one, and that goes to the Magic Irish's Magic Sham Drawer Box Mystery Magic Trick. Is what this looks like. So you can see here, I got this drawer box here, some right here, watch. And it actually is makes it to appear on the inside. Look. Coins. How is this magic trick done? I'm about to reveal the secrets. Is it going to need to perform this magic trick? For this, you're going to need are a different kind of coin, and this drawer box. I actually made this from a matchbox with some rock and some stuff from a serviette from one of my St. Patrick supplies, and some a nice green in the inside. See the cover of the matchbox. What I'm going to is put these coins and place it into here like this. You're gonna fall back into over here, and you're going to is have it down like this so you can see that there's nothing there. Make sure they don't see this. Make sure they see it like this. There's nothing inside the drawer box. They'll go down like this, like that. But you want to cover it with the covering of the box. So, and go like this, like that right away. Move the magical fingers. Or go on like this, and then go like this, down like this. You can leave it in the box if you want to show it appear, or you can put it into your hand, like this, if you want to, or simply just leave it into the drawer box, just right here. You do and perform the magic trick to it. Bring us down to our next one. We get to our 28th one goes to. Oh, but before we get to this one, I want to show you the magic appearing Irish hand snake magic trick. Is what this will look like. Then we'll carry on with the other magic trick. So you can see here, it actually is just like that. How is this one done? I'll show you. All you'll need is this rubber snake. You place this onto your thumb, like this. Hold on to it like that, and it'll go like that. It'll shoot out. Make sure it's well onto your finger, onto your thumb, like that. That way it's good from here. It shoots out like that. Resting your head underneath like this. Like that. Or out like this. Here. Like that. And by magic, a snake appears in the palm of your hand. And that's how you can perform the magic trick to it. Go on with our numbered magic trick, our 28th One goes to the magic Irish's vanishing coil snake magic trick. So here I got is this coil snake here. It actually is to make this completely vanish. See? Actually take this, watch, and it completely vanishes. How's the snake from thin air? Fake snake. Hey, it rhymes. Fake snake. And you can see it's a nice rustic kind of like color here. Just somewhat like snake. Put an elastic onto it to keep it in this nice coil shape. Make it vanish. We have like this, and drop this off like this, and then go like that. From here, like that. You want to actually just drop this into it up like this. That's all that you're doing. Put this at the edge of a table or a park bench, like this, like that, and make it completely vanish. And as we do and perform magic trick to it. There, I guess, another snake involved in this one. That's why I wanted to put that one in there to give us another snake magic trick. As we perform that magic trick to it, bring us down to our 29th. One goes to the Magic Summer Magic Color Sham magic trick. Is what this will look like. It's okay. I got this summer here. What color is this? It's green, right? Okay, so remember, this is green, okay? Let me actually put this into the back of me here. Okay? Like, okay. Okay, so you're thinking, it's green. If I take it back, if I take this behind, out of my back area over here, we'll see. So you're thinking it's green? So you're thinking it's green? No, it's orange. Okay, so this is orange. I'll put this back into my back like this. Okay, so if you're guessing that the color on the summer rock is orange again, it's orange. So it's green. Okay, so again. Okay, thinking green. Yeah, it's still green. Okay. So it's green, right? Nope. Back to orange. How is this one done? I'll show you. All you'll need is a back and front colored summer rock out of different craft sheets, orange and green craft sheet. You're going to choose one from your back as a cover. You're going to say, okay, so remember this is green. Okay, green. Back here, and then back here. I'm gonna flip it like this. Say, do you remember the color? But yeah, it's green. Okay, it's green, right? Then what is this? It's orange. You'll do it again like this in the back. You say, okay, so you're thinking green? So you're thinking orange? No, it's green. Make sure you don't flash the opposite side as you are doing that. So green. This time you're gonna actually not flip. So the green. Say, okay, remember it's green. Again, green. Then you're gonna flip it again and say, okay. And you know it's green, right? Nope. It's orange. It is a great one you can play with your mind, but it's also a great magic trick. And as we do the magic color sham magic trick, the covering for this is your back. For this one. So it is a very crafty one. Guys, you can use arts and crafts to make yourself a shamrock of color. orange and green. If you want to, it's entirely up to you. Anyways, with that said, let's get on to the next one. Our 30th one goes to the Irish's Magic Green Ball and Cord Magic Trick. Is what this will look like. Here I got this a cord that's actually tied on to this ball. Here. What I could do with this, if I can just take this and take this over here. Watch. Are you ready? Okay, it's not budging. That. Nope, still not coming through, okay? Okay. Like that. Right there. Watch very carefully. It busts free. How? I'll show you. All you'll need is this cord, rustic cord, and holy ball, which is actually a summer ball. What you're going to do is a slip knot. I'm going to put this in like this. I'm going to fall there. Like that. That was the actual tie, like this. You can see it's tied like that. It also is double like that if you want to. What you're going to do is to show that it's on there. How to remove it is simple. Just going to go like this, as you are evening it out like this. Removing that not like this, but they won't even know. Move it again. Make sure you are tying, and then make sure you're looping it over your hand like this. And tug. That's not busting free. Hold and pull. Out like that. Then put the cord down and then the ball on top. As you do and perform the magic trick. That puts us down to our number 31 goes to the magic color changing Irish summer shades magic trick. This is what this will look like. So here is a summer one. That is my yellow glasses here. Watch. I change it into green. How is this one done? I'll show you. So here goes into summer and the shades. Summer shades. All you'll need is two different color ones. Here we have is a yellow one, yellow lime color, and green. Put these on like this. So here you're not going to have these out like this. Down like this. Hold like this. Hold like that with your fingers like this. Like that. Holds like this. That way it looks like one. That way you go hold your hand like this. Easy to pull down like this, because that's how the color changes. Alright up. And go like this. So you get these a ditch, and by magic, the colors being summer, don't forget to wear a hat. and shades, and you're good to go. As they perform, message to it. To our 32nd one, we got two that goes through the Magic Iris's Magic Sham Hat Gnome. Okay, so here I got is this garden gnome here. Okay, it's just a statue. I'm gonna use this hat here. There we go, right there. Okay. Is that moving? Whoa. Did you just see that? Okay, I'll do it again. Whoa. How is this one done? I'll show you. All you need is this garden gnome here. You see that there's a hollow right there. You're going to put your finger into here, and that's what's going to allow it to actually move. You need a hat for this. This is on the cover of the hat as it makes it move like this. You're going to place it over. And go like this. And then hand moves like this. Grab it like that. Very quickly you take off with your finger, and then take this right off just like that. And as they perform the trick to it, there I guess the garden gnome and the hat involved with this one. The hat enchants the garden gnome statue to make it move. Now I'm gonna actually just place that just right over here. I'll move this cup and I'll just put that just right there. Yeah, I'll put it there. And I'll just leave this just right here. With this, I'll just put that over here. Right there too. And now, so here is going to be a gem. Because it's going to take a fruit to bring this gem to come to life. And that goes to our 33rd one, which I like to call the Magic Iris's Rustic Pair to Gem Gnome magic trick. Let's put this will look like. Okay, so I got my garden gnome here, and over here I have a pear. Not two, a pear. A pear of fruit. And actually, to this pear fruit here, actually is turn it into a gem gnome. See, I told you this was going to be a gem. How is this one done? I'll show you. All you'll need is a pear from thin air. Okay, so here's some rustic things that you'll need. One, you'll need this fall and autumn pear. And this one here that almost looks like a gnome. It almost looks just like this goat over here. You're going to is place this into your lap. Here. The pear is to be seen. The pear is the same size as the figure. Pear is to be seen first. Then you're going to is pick this up and palm it. like this. Place into your fist. Like this. Then you're going to do is put this down into your lap, and then you're going to hold on to this like this, with your hand like this. Like that. All you want it to be up like this. Be very quick, and by magic, it turns itself into a gem gnome. Why is it a gem gnome? Look, it has gems on it, gems for the eyes and gems for the button. Below seen here. I'll just add that over here with my garden gnome seen here. That way it adds a little something even more extra. And that right there is what you do and perform the magic trick to it. So what's the next one? I'll tell you that right now. 2 hour 3031. No wait, that was our 3031. Okay. 2 hour 34th one we get to. And that goes directly to the Irish's magic leaf scarf egg magic trick. That's what this will look like. So here with me I have is this egg right here. And I got this nice leaf scarf right here. As you can see this egg here. You can actually fold this in like this. And watch. It turns into a green egg. How is this one done? As is to reveal the secrets behind the scene, right now all you will need is an orange egg. Orange, glad I chose that one because it goes well with the what? The green one, the green egg. And then you'll need this for an autumn rustic silk. Seen here. You're going to is have the egg change its color by the use of this. Because we change it into this, we'll change it into orange. So you're going to is have the orange in the bottom right here. The scarf is right here. Onto it like this. You're going to is put the green in here, that, hold it just like this. The orange is just right there. So the green egg, place it in, and as you do that, you're going to is wrap it up like this. So now you're going to twist it like this. And by magic, it changes into an orange egg. Or you can do the orange egg into the green egg as seen in the performance. Oh, what was that called? See it? There we go, that was much better. What was that called? A pop fly. To our 35th one, magic trick being the Magic Irish's magic one big leprechaun card magic trick. Is what this will look like. So here is a pretty unique one. You'll love it. I got is this big huge leprechaun card here. Can you see here? Like that. Okay. Then I actually am going to do it again and watch. So you see this? Watch. 3, 2, 1. It's magic happen. It changes its color. The leprechaun now, that was once that now, changes its color. You see here? How's this one done? I'll show you. All you'll need is back-to-back card, the same. I actually colored this one in. This one had no color. This one had color. It's the same on each side. One, I actually colored in for this. you're going to do is a simple paddle move. You're going to show it on this side first, not this side. This side is facing you. You're going to go from here, go like this. Like this. So you don't want to go like this. You want to keep it like this. Like that. Be very quick. So that way it hides this. Like this. Like that. That way you see this all times. Then you're going to is say, watch this. You're going to hold it like this, and you're going to twist it like this. But I want to actually pull it down. Like that. And then magic. It color changes. The leprechaun card now changes its color, see here. And as you perform the magic trick to it. Get up for the magic one big leprechaun card magic trick. To our 36th one goes to the Magic Iris's Flower Pot and Rustic Scarf magic trick. Is what this will look like. To me, I got is this nice flower pot here, and I got is just nice scarf here. So here actually is to put this in to the flower pot like this. While holding here, we're holding on to the scarf. 3, 2, 1. It doesn't even fall out. Why? Because it's been enchanted. But wait, watch this. Again. Back in again. Or did it there. 3, 2, 1. Again. How is this one done? I'll show you. All you need is this rustic scarf and this rustic summer-like flower vase pot right here. That's what this is right here. Put some knots into the scarf here. That's what's going to allow it to not fall out. I'm going to hide it like this though. So it goes off like this. Like that. Put your hand like that. Then the flower pot. So then place this in like this. And hold it like this. And go like this. See, it's shoved right into there, so that way it doesn't even fall out. Like that, and it still is right inside there, so it doesn't fall out. Go like this, put it back, dress down there, snap your fingers, and put all like this. Make sure that you are palming this, so you can do that a second time if you want to. And say perform the magic trick to it. As you do the magic stick, flower pot, and rustic scarf magic trick. Our 37th one we get to that goes to the magic nap wad cups and wand magic trick. Is what this will look like. Let's do that right here on the magic table scene right beside me. Okay, so here with me I have our 1, 2, 3 nap wads. Nap, that's short for napkin. So napkin wads. You can see here. Got 1, 2, and 3. See in here. And then I got these cups, 1, 2, 3 cups, and here's I got my magic wand right here. Okay, I'm going to is actually put these aside over here first. Wand, I'll just keep that at the ready over here. You see, don't look at the cups. Like that. Okay. I'm going to place this one on top one here. Like this. Okay. Goes right through. Oh, wait 1 second here. Let me see what I could do. So that went through. That goes here. What I can actually now is to make this completely vanish. I'll put this cup on top. Okay, I got three. I have these two here and guys right here. Okay, watch. Of course, I'm not going to there. Okay, I'm gonna actually I'll place the one on top there. I place this cup right here. I have one here that I am going to put that under this cup here. Okay. So here. So there. There. Where does that end up? Under that cup. Okay. So there's that there. I'm going to take this one here. Wait, I'll just take this one here. And I'm going to just put the rest of the cups on top here. Okay. So again, I got this one here. It vanishes. Ends up on the other one. If I take one cup and place it right there, I'm going to take this bowl, wad here. I'm going to make that completely vanish. Ends up right there. But wait 1 second. Okay. I got a stack here. I'm going to unstack one here. Unstack the other one. So let me see here. Watch this. Is this kept there? If I were to move these cups out of the equation, watch. Are you ready? The third one comes right back. How's this one done? I'll show you. All you'll need is 4 of these napkin wads, 3 cups. Actually, I made these cups and I made this magic wand. This one here is a very professional magic trick. You're going to conceal one, leaving all 3. It's the cups and balls, but this is more advanced. These are down. All to be seen are 3 of the napkin wads. Then I count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 cups. You're going to take one. You're going to put this like that, picking up one. You're going to do the cups and ball move like this. It's still there. Take off like this. I put it down onto here. The cup just like this. Like that. It passes right through. What you're going to is remove one cup. Pick this one up. You're gonna make this completely vanish. Put that cups up for it. Making sure the other wads are to be seen. Napkin wads. Like this. Vanish one. By a table like this. And then tap onto the cup. It appears under the cup. Okay. Then you're going to is you get the wad again, place it over like that. You're going to is take one of the other ones and place that right over here, like this. Okay. Then you're going to is tap onto this cup, like that. This one's completely gone, and it ends up under the other one. Here is like this. Then you're going to is take the other one here, and you're going to is make that vanish, and it ends up back onto there. Then you're going to is pick up one, go from here, pick up the other, so it's completely empty, place on top, like that, and then you'll place the third one on top, and then go from here. Then it appears under that one. Again, the sound falls into the other one, like that. This is up forward. Then the other two, you'll place this one underneath this one here. You'll place the other one in the back of here like this. Other one here. And you're going to is make this one. It's pretty interesting. Like that. Sure, this is up front. Like that. So you're going to is take this one here, and you're going to is put this down like this very quickly, and go like that. Appears there, and then end up doing that. Make sure all three are like that. That was a different version of the one I did in the performance, but still makes great. And as I perform the magic trick to it, so it gets you to do a routine, and it's a spin off of the cups and balls going in a different direction. And as I do and perform the magic trick 2, the magic nap wad cups and wand magic trick. About 38th one we get to, and that goes to the magic onion to the table magic trick. Here's what this looks like. So here, is used to one of your onions from the fridge or the bag, the mesh bag. So here with me I got is one onion, one big onion. Seen here. See, this table is completely hard. Okay, and it actually is to get this onion to go like right through the table. Watch. Right through the solid table. Where did it end up? Right here. How's this one done? I'll show you. So come from me down over here. Around the table, so I can show you what you would be doing with this. I'm going to move these out of the way so you can see what I was doing. So here is at the edge of a table. You only use one onion. You can do this to cans. Here what you're doing is to this onion. Right here. You're going to is knock on the table. Right. You're going to is put this big huge onion and you go like this to get out of the way. This comes onto your lap. Hold like this and go down like this. That's all that it is. That's all that you're doing. You say what happened? Just right here. That's what you get to see. What the audience sees is like this. That. And then from here, like this. And go like this. Or go like that, whatever you prefer. And say, well, see? Knocked onto your table. Say, what happened? Where did it go? Just right here. It gets your onion involved with that one as well too. And to perform the magic trick to get you could with cans, but in this one here, we used an onion. Okay. To 39th one goes to the Magic Dublin's Magic Guinness Glass. Magic trick is what this looks like. Okay, so here I have with me is Guinness right here. And then here I got is this serviette. I'm going to give this a cover. Like that. Like this, you see? Here. I'm going to actually do something very magical with this. See it again? Okay. Are you ready? For this? 3, 2, 1. Whoa. But wait 1 second. So you saw me doing that, right? Watch. Very closely here. Wrap it up like this and watch. How is this one done? I'll show you. What you're going to need is not real Guinness. The glass may be real. The inside looks real, but it's not. Look, it's just paper that looks just like it, because it's in the same color. That's why it looks nice and full, but really it's fake. It's all fake. But the glass actually, you can see Dublin right there It says Dublin on it. All you need is a napkin. Because the thinking is full, which really surprises. So I'll move those again so you can see easily what I was doing. So here, show that it's completely full, because it looks full. What you want to do is put this over it. Like that. So, put this into your lap. So keep this form, really, so this right there. Hold the hand like this and go like that. And then just hold it there. Like that. Hand on top. Then you're gonna put this back underneath it again. Wrap it up. And then just go like this. And by magic, it comes right back, and it's nice empty, and right there, looking like it's completely full, but it's not. But it definitely sells for a great magic trick. You do at table Irish bar magic trick, a tavern-like one. And a Dublin one as well too, but also makes great for summer fun time with that one. Because all it is fake, and it definitely will definitely surprise everyone more with that one. And they see you put that down into your table, and then when we hold after you pull off the napkin, you see it right back in the right form of the glass as they perform the magic trick to it. And that brings us down to our 40th one. That goes to the Magic Irish's Magic Summer Camo Hat Magic Trick is what this will look like. Get your summer ball caps ready and let's go. You see my summer ball cap, and there's nothing in the inside of it. Let's get that down here for now. Well, I say, happy summer, August time. Okay, so there's nothing in the hat. Okay, watch this. Are you ready? 3, watch. I take this off of here. Magic. I get a turtle from the hat. How did I get a turtle in the hat? As is about to reveal the secret. I'll let a summer turtle, say those lines. So how did I? I'll show you. A stuffed, a fake turtle, and a summer hat. Here I'm using is my camo hat. That looks very nice. What I'm wearing on me. You're going to is have this down to your lap. Make sure you are wearing a summer cap. Like that first. Before. Then you're going to show your hat completely empty. There's nothing there. Like this, and the hat like this. Put this onto a table or into the palm of your hand if you want to. Wave over, then pick up the top like this. Give it a little shake, and then magic, making a turtle to appear. After it's done, place this on a ball cap back onto your head and present. In fact, I'm going to wear this hat now for the last part of the installment. To our 41st one goes to the Irish's Magic Turtle Cards Magic Trick. That's what this looks like. So here brings in the turtle and the card deck. Here's magic. We just do that right at the juice table. Okay, so here I got my turtle with me, and I got some cards here. Okay, gonna ask you, tell me when to stop. Stop there. Okay. Right there. I'm going to is place this into the cards here like this. So your card, right? Do you see the cards? Okay. It's not there. Where did it go? Let's see. I would pick up the Eternal. I see a card underneath the Eternal. Right there. That's a card. How is this one done? I'll show you. All you'll need are cards and the subturtle fake. You're going to is take any card and you're going to is write the cards like this. Like that. So you're going to tell them when to stop like this. 1. Did they say stop? That way you force the card. Keep it up. Square the cards. Face down. But you're going to actually take it out like this. And take it out like this. Cards down there. This card here. Their card. Now the turtle. This goes upon their card. Give it a shuffle if you want to, like this. And then just put the cards down there. Do you see a card? No, it's not there. Where did it end up? Let's put the cards up. You can see there's a card underneath the turtle. Well, it's just a card. And that's the secret behind the magic turtle cards magic trick. Then to our 42nd one goes to the magic irises magic pancake plate magic trick. Here's what this looks like. Got is this nice green plate here. And here I hold is my Irish tie. Let me make some pancakes for you. Are you ready? Watch. 3, 2, 1. By magic, I make pancakes in a flash. How's this one done? I'll show you. All you'll need is fake pancakes. These are actually like a plush pancakes, so fake pancakes. You'll need is a plate, green plate, and a nice green like doily for the plate. Then you need is this Irish tie. Here's my St. Patrick's one. This right here will be held underneath the tie like this. What I'm going to is hold it like this though. Have him here bracing the fake pancakes. You don't want to do this to real pancakes. You're going to show the plate or pick it on here, present, or the tie like this. Say, let me make you some pancakes or something like that. Place this in like this and cover the tie like this and then pull out like this. Make sure these stay in the center of the plate. Like this. Here. And go like this. Or if you want to. Let's see that. But I do like it when the ties on it and you go like this. And by magic, the tie produces you pancakes in a plate. Seems to say here. Now, there's a new the magic trick to it. There are guests the pancakes involved with that one. Okay, to our 43rd one goes to the Magic Irish's Egg Basket Mystery. Magic trick is what this will look like. I'm going to use this tie for this one. Go to. With me, I have is this basket right here. It has really nothing in the inside of the basket. Let me see what you do about that. At the trick table. Okay, so there's nothing inside here. Watch. By magic, we'll get something from it. Just reach in. Whoa. See? There's nothing there. Then why am I getting eggs from an empty basket? Whoa. Look. So how did I juice one? I'll show you. All you'll need is an Easter egg basket, and Easter grass, you're gonna put a hole into the center of it like this. And then you're going to is put the eggs in. Here I got green. And yellow and orange. I'll just put the rest away here. And you're going to is cover it up like this so no one sees the eggs in the inside. Show the basket completely empty. Reach in. Egg. There's nothing there. Reach in again. There's another egg. Show the basket empty every time. Reach in. So. And grab a few more out like that. Like that. Form the mystery magic trick behind that one. It's a pretty unique one. And then we get to the magic disappearing and reappearing Sunny D bottle magic trick is what this will look like. Here with me I have is my Sunny D. Got placed onto the table here. I got this scarf right here. Okay. Good, see? It's still there. Are you ready? Completely, it's gone. But watch this. Are you ready? And that comes right back. How's this one done? I'll show you. I need a Sunny D bottle and a scarf. You're going to is from here, take it like this, and move it like this. Like that. That's all that you're doing. You're going to just reverse it to make it reappear like this. That's all that is. That's what you get to see. Audience sees this. So you sew the scarf like this, like that, and then go. Make sure it hides the bottle like that. Then place it down, and then go from this, and to make it just reappear on the table right there. That's all there is to it. It's a very simple magic trick, and definitely gets the sunny D for sunny day on it for the summertime. And that's how you do the magic vanishing and appearing sunny D bottle magic trick. Okay, now that we're done with that one, we're going to get down to our 44th one, which is what we're on. Goes to the Irish Magic Fish Egg Bucket Magic Trick. And so this was just a bucket here, and here I got is this speckled egg here. I'm gonna actually just place this into the bucket like this. Snap my fingers. The egg is still there. Okay. Again, I'm gonna actually just place this into a bucket like this. That. Watch. This egg, I'm guessing, is probably from a big fish, by the looks of it. Just reach in and look. I get a big fish from the egg. How is this one done? I'll show you. All you'll need is a speckled Easter egg. That looks kind of similar to the big fish seen here. And a bucket. Actually, I actually made this. You're going to is keep the fish into your lap. Egg goes in. So fingers way if you want to. Nope, the egg is still there. Put it into your hand like this. Then you're going to is put this down and place this in like this quickly and say, okay, so that egg looks big. So that egg, I'm guessing, is probably from a big fish. Magic words there, big fish. Reach in and pull out a big fish from the bucket. Seen just right here. Right there, so you perform the magic trick to it. Now here are only 2 bonus tricks. Because we finished that one, here's a 2 one. Our first bonus trick being the magic horseshoe top hat cup magic trick. Is what this will. Here I got my top hat here. It's completely empty. Seems to be here. Is my horseshoe cup. Tall cup. What is my apple juice inside here? I'm going to pour this into my hat. Right to the last drop. Okay. I'm going to is take the hat now. I put my apple juice in there. I'm gonna give this a swish. Like that. We'll see what that has done. I'm gonna get my hat. One last swish. And watch. It turns into an apple juice like scarf. How's this one done? I'll show you. Here are the things that you need to get to perform this magic trick. So you'll see here, And over there at the tricks table. You'll need is a gimmick cup, a horseshoe cup, sticker, some rock sticker onto the gimmick cup. You can use apple juice or you can use Sunny D, but must go with the silk, the silk color. This right here, you put this aside. Here I'm just gonna pour my apple juice, which I had in here, into the horseshoe cup. Like this. This now is down, so you don't need the gimmick cup right away. You're going to is sew the hat completely empty. This now is like this. Okay, so empty, or have this in like this, and then put the silk in the inside. The gimmick cup now is right up over here with that. This is going to provide an illusion. So I'm going to go to the hat is right there. I'm going to dump this in like this into the cup. It's an illusion. You'll do that when the hat is facing the audience like this. Make sure they see it like this. You're pouring apple juice in the inside. Make sure to remove the gimmick cup. Then get the hat, top hat, and get a Swiss. Dump. And the silk comes out. That it turned itself into by the use of the top hat. And that way there's to perform the magic trick to it. So here's one of my combos. Bonus trick 2 right to you goes to the Magic Irish's Magic Green Wand Change-O magic trick is what this will look like. So I was saving the best for the last. So here I got with me is this nice green wand here. Wand, so are you ready? Completely changes. Again. Wow. How is this magic trick done? I'll show you. All you'll need here is the magic wand that turns into something it's like Celtic-like. From here. Okay, so what this is one of the tattoo sleeves. I taped this one here, make it nice and loose to go down and to rise back up again. It's the color changing wand, but different. This will come down to about here. This is taped. I got wand tips to here on the bottom and top in green. You're going to is conceal this like this. So all they see is this. And then like this. I'll be very quick. Like that. could go from start like this first, and then go like that. You could do it this way too. From here, and go like that, and changing it that way. And as they perform the magic trick to it. So there's all 44 tricks in magic, plus 2 bonus tricks. I'll see you back for our 8th installment. I'm your city, your magical adventure, 2 tricks to host, Reese. Peace, best love and blessings. Namaste.